Правда біла зичина, правда біла свечина, а не Марія моя, бо цемент родила місто.
Alright guys, so here's the up close of me already unboxing it. It does come with the 2 headlights, so you can see that right there. It comes with the H7 and H4. I didn't want to, you know, take that out too. Eventually I get it. It does come with these rubber grommets. I guess it goes behind the projector to screw onto the reflectors. But like I said, I don't know until I get it installed. We'll see that in the next clip. So here's the headlight. Light into, that's the new corner lights right there. I already installed it on the car. I'll show it to you when I record the uninstall of the driver's side headlight. Right now this is passenger side, it's already installed. But I did order a new lens. Supposed to come today. I don't know why FedEx said it was delivered already. I didn't see it. Oh, I'm still waiting on that. Once I put a new one, this is gonna be all clean. Alright guys, let's take a look at the black BMW and see how it came out. So, you see the projector right there. I don't know if you can see it. I put the trim. So the trim came in today. I don't know if you've seen in my other video. So check the video before when I was working on my silver E46, but this one you can see the trim came in today. I put it together. The projectors, I put it together. The lens, still waiting on to put new lens on there, but waiting on that. But overall, I would say it came out really good. So for the price, what I got it for, I will recommend it.